You can now use Claude to generate thousands of qualified B2B leads completely for free. And when I say Claude, you can also use ChatGPT if you're that way inclined. I won't judge you. Now, this list is what some would call a prospecting list, a big list of decision makers, people that own companies that could potentially buy your products or your services. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to build a big fat list of them for yourself. So let's get straight into it. So we're actually going to use Claude Code today. So you go claude.ai/code. Don't worry if you haven't used it before. I'm going to take you through the full A to Z. Now, what we're actually going to do is we're going to use a plugin on Claude Code from Clay.com. Now, Clay.com, put really simply, is a lead generation tool. And when it first came to the market just 4 years ago, it completely revolutionized the lead generation space. Why? This is really important. It used to take days to generate big lists of qualified leads that we would then reach out to and sell our products or services to. I know that because 8 years ago, I started a marketing agency that's now made tens of millions in revenue. And the way we got our first clients was through cold outreaching, through cold calling, through emails, through DMs, most of which I've documented on this YouTube channel. And so I would have to generate huge lists of leads from all over the internet, and I would have to do it manually because software products did not exist. The early stage products did make it easier, companies like Apollo and Snov.io. But the limitations of various different tools was they all had their own different sources for finding leads. One tool would use LinkedIn, one tool would maybe use Google Maps, for example, until Clay came along. Now, Clay is an aggregate of all of these other lead generation tools. That was their first kind of value proposition to the market. So they married together hundreds of different lead generation tools via an API, otherwise known as an API waterfall. And this had such an impact that Clay went from zero to a $5 billion valuation in just 4 years. And I'm fortunate enough to be one of the people that invested in the early stages of this business. Now, one of the benefits of being an investor is I get to hear about certain features that are being released before they come to market. And this feature is without a doubt the most exciting thing that the Clay guys have produced ever. Because I've spent tens of hours using Clay.com to generate big lists of leads. It saved me hundreds of hours on the stuff I used to do manually, but I still have to man the system myself and generate my big lists. In fact, I've put out videos on this YouTube channel that got hundreds of thousands of views teaching people how to use the platform. Now, with Clay's CLI, which they released just this week, you can now plug it in straight to Claude Code and AI will manage Clay for you and do all of the work on the interface. So all we have to do now is just speak to Claude and say, I want you to generate me a list of leads with this criteria, and it goes and does it all for you. Insane. I wish this existed when I first started my agency. It would have saved me hundreds upon hundreds of hours. So I'll put a link in the description for the setup page. All you're going to do when you get onto it is hit this button, install the Clay plugin to start building. If you're interested, it's called a CLI. It's a command line interface. It's basically just a form of integration. Now, before we go ahead and copy this, we need to actually install Claude on our device into our terminal, because this is Claude Web that I showed you earlier. It's an isolated web-based version of Claude. We can't use CLIs on Claude Web. It has to be within our terminal. So there are two ways to do this. I'll put a link in the description. You can access the terminal guide. We need to go ahead and open the terminal by going Command space and type in terminal. We can open that up. It opens a terminal window. And then we just follow these instructions. We copy and paste these prompts into the terminal and it will go install that for us. Now, my preference for how I like to use Claude Code is through something called Visual Studio Code, which is a completely free application. It makes things a little bit easier to manage. You can go ahead, again, I'll put a link in the description, you can download that. Now, what that will look like is this. This is VS Code. So let me just zoom in to make sure you can see everything properly. Okay, cool. And this is what you will see when you open up Visual Studio Code for the first time. Okay, you're not going to use most of these features if you're new to this, so bear with me. This is nice and easy. We're going to hit Open Folder as the first part. Now, this folder is effectively going to be a new folder, which we can call Clay Integration, or let's call it Lead Generation. And what this effectively is an application folder, because when we are using Claude on the desktop, we are effectively creating applications, whether they're back-end or they are front-end. Now, once we've created that lead generation folder, we're going to go down to extensions and we're going to type in Claude Code, okay? And you're going to go ahead until you find this extension here, which I've already got enabled. You're going to hit the install button to install it. And I'm now enabling it for this specific project. And now we get this little Claude button here, which means we can open up Claude. We can access it here, or we can access it here. I'm going to click the button. I'm going to close there. And now we are good to go. So again, let me just make this window just a perfect size for you guys so we're not missing out anything there. Now we can go back over, we can copy that prompt, we go back to Visual Studio and we can paste it in here, and we can set it to auto. We want it to automatically run, or you can use bypass permissions where you just let Claude run on autopilot, which is my preference myself, because then I don't have to accept anything that's going on in the background. But I would tread with an air of caution if you are new to using Claude on your desktop before you enable bypass permissions, which, by the way, you can just do by going over to your extensions, click the settings on Claude Code extension, and then you can tick enable bypass permissions. So now it's telling me we actually need to install this via the terminal. Although, just a little hack for you, all we need to do is say, do it for me. And we can allow Claude to just go ahead and run that prompt in the terminal itself. Or if you like, you can go and bypass the need to do this and just go and paste it in the terminal first time round. But I'm trying to make this video as easy as possible for those of you that are complete novices to this interface. Now, while setting up, Claude has thrown up the Authorize Clay CLI window where I have to log into a Clay account and authorize so I can actually use the system. You may not already have an account, so I'm going to put a link in the description where you can set one up for free. When I saw this feature and Clay reached out to me about it, I told them that I had to record a video about it. I've recorded tons of videos on lead generation on this channel and it's just fit the bill. I needed to speak about it, but I said, if I'm going to do this, I want to make sure I can give people access for free. And so the team have kindly agreed to give all of you who are watching this right now 2,000 free credits as a sign-on bonus when you jump onto Clay. That's pretty much 2,000 completely enriched leads that you can generate on the platform. You can go and then make some money before you go ahead and sign up to Clay on a paid subscription later, which I'm sure you're going to when you actually get to see the benefit of this. And so click the link in the description, use that link. I don't know how long it's actually going to be available for. They may revoke it in the future, so do it where you can, whilst you can. Cool, I'm gonna hit authorize, and that's authorization complete. We go back over to Visual Studio, and it's continuing to set up. So now we're all set up. The final thing we need to do is actually restart Claude so it all comes into play. So we can close that there. We can open up another Claude window. We're gonna go new session, and then we'll keep it really lazy. Can you please check that the Clay CLI is now set up? That super whisper I'm using there for voice. And this is going to say yes. There we go, set up and working. And so now we can go ahead and we can use the Clay CLI straight in the terminal, or we can use it in this interface where it will effectively be using the terminal on our behalf. Great, so let's generate our first list of leads. Okay, let's do this. So I want you to build me a list of 10 companies from the London area. These are home service businesses, and they fit kitchens. I don't want anybody that does bathrooms. They need to have a kitchen specialization. That's really important. I want you to find the decision makers details as well. So founders, managing directors, and owners. I want their work email address, and I also want to understand what the company's unique sales proposition is. Please be as cost efficient as possible when it comes to credit usage. That little end one there is a hack for you. Okay, so really just a voice-based prompt. We're being pretty open and just this is human really engagement, as if we're asking a team member that we want them to generate a specific list of leads. Now you notice how specific I went there? I want to test the system right now and I want to show you what this is capable of. Because back in the day, when we wanted to generate a hyper list of ICP, ideal customer profile, these are the customers that you actually want to reach out to. Now, otherwise known as our TAM and our SAM. TAM is our total addressable market. These are the total amount of people that we could reach out to. SAM is our serviceable addressable market. These are the people we actually want to work with. Now, most people who are reaching out to prospects will build a list of their TAM because it's easy to get access to. Very few companies will build a hyper-personalized, hyper-targeted list of SAM where they only reach out to the people they genuinely want to work with. That means they're going to get a better result, and they're going to get more replies, they're going to spend less money on generating those leads, but it used to take an awful lot of time in order to get that list. Now it doesn't, because Clay will just go and figure out all the shit it needs to figure out. It will work out all of the filters, and it will go build that list for us and scrape those websites. So Clay has a tool called a Clayagent. It's basically an AI agent which will scrape a website, will look for the keywords that we're searching for, run an AI query there, and only spit out the leads that we're looking for. That's what it will use when I say I don't want anyone that does bathrooms. So let's wait to get this back. Cool, so here's our list. I'm gonna have to blur out some of this information because I can't just disclose this information online. We've got company, decision maker, their name, the role, their work email, which is verified, which is really important. We need to make sure it's actually validated, and then the unique sales proposition. So what makes this company unique? This is going to come in handy in a second. So this is the UK's leading supplier of bespoke Scandinavian style kitchens and furniture, heritage bespoke luxury kitchens and joinery, independent British designers. So now we've got their unique sales proposition there as well, which is absolutely awesome. Now I've only done 10 leads here rather than hundreds or thousands because for the purpose of this video, I want to keep it nice and clean, but you can generate as many as you want to. Now we're going to go a step further here, and I actually want this system to write personalized emails for me. So I want you to write personalized emails using the Clay CLI to each of these prospects, and I want you to bear in mind that I am a GEO agency, so Generative Engine Optimization Agency, and I want to reach out to them to host a free AI search audit for them. It's really important that you use their unique sales proposition as a personalization point in the email. Make the email very casual, but very human, and make sure it does not sound like AI. Let's do it. Okay, so what's actually happened is a workflow has been generated inside of Claude, the GEO Outreach Email Writer. So we can go have a look at that right now. This will be familiar to you if you've seen Zapier or NA10 or any kind of flow-based system. It's a manual trigger, and then we've got an email writer. So you're Jordan, founder of a GEO agency. Write one cold outreach email to the person below, offering a free AI search audit, personalized email using their specific USP as the hook. And then we've got the import fields here and the voice, and then we can go ahead and we can save that, and we can have a look at this prompt. We can play around with it. Hard bands, never use that because we said make sure it doesn't sound AI. What I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to ask for an example output, and then I'm going to go a step further and actually turn this workflow into the lead generation and email writing flow. So we've got everything in one. Can you give me an example of one of the emails that was outputted by this? Okay, so yes, here's one that's already come back. Subject line, does ChatGPT know solar kitchens? Love that subject line. Sophia, quick one. Since 2006, you built solar into the go-to name for bespoke Scandi kitchens. Here's the thing, buyers don't just Google that anymore. They ask ChatGPT or Perplexity for the best kitchen company in London and take whatever name pops up. If AI doesn't mention solar, that inquiry never even reaches you. It just goes to whoever the AI picked instead. I ran a few of these searches out of curiosity and figured you'd want to see the results either way. Want me to send over what I found, no charge. This is a nice email, like a little bit of prompting and this would be spot on, but this is a really, really nice email. It's actually going ahead and batching the rest of the emails there as well. Oh, it already launched those in tandem. I'm going to stop that for now, and I'm actually just going to extend this workflow. Okay, I want you to take the workflow you created in Clay, and I want you to now add the lead generation part to it as well. At the moment, it's just an email writing workflow. So I'd actually like to be able to use this workflow in the future to both generate leads, get the decision makers' details, the work email, and everything that you did here in this chat, and then write the email all in one workflow. Okay, it's done. So let's open this in Clay. And here we can see we've got a manual trigger still, so we can trigger this anytime we want more leads. We're going to research the decision maker. We're going to pick the best decision maker based on the fact on whether or not They are the single best decision maker, owner level outreach. It's going to be the most senior people. We're going to find their work email. We're going to derive that USP, and then we're going to write that email. So now we have that entire flow in one workflow, and we can go ahead and we can run this anytime we want to generate more leads, or we can just go back over to Claude and we can say, hey, I want you to use the GEO lead gen plus outreach workflow to generate me another 1,000 leads, and it will go ahead and it will do that to our specification, write those emails, and we can then even go ahead and plug in Clay on the back end to instantly, for example, where we can send all of those emails out through automation. And now this entire thing is possible without us even having to man the software ourselves. So that is how you generate thousands of qualified B2B leads using AI. And as I said earlier, you can click the link in the description and you will be able to get 2,000 free credits on Clay for you to generate over 1,000 leads for your own business today. But use that link whilst it's still around, because I'm sure it won't be around forever. Subscribe for more, and I will see you very soon. Cheers, guys.